Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Looking for the perfect all-in-one kitchen tool? These stainless steel heavy-duty kitchen shears are built to handle it all, from cutting meat and poultry to trimming herbs or even tackling small household tasks. With universal metal handles that fit comfortably in both left and right hands, they're durable, sharp, and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Want to impress your guests at your next gathering? The SMIRLY Charcuterie board set is the ultimate way to serve cheese, meats, fruits, and snacks in style. Made from premium bamboo, this large board is durable, eco-friendly, and beautifully designed with built-in drawers for utensils, serving bowls, and accessories. It's perfect for parties or as a thoughtful gift. Make every occasion look and feel special. Check out the SMIRLY Charcuterie board set through the link below and elevate your hosting game today. Tired of chopping herbs the hard way? These multi-layer herb scissors make prep fast and effortless. With 5-blade and 3-blade stainless steel shears, you can quickly cut herbs, veggies, or even shred paper with precision. Each set comes with a cleaning comb and protective cover, making cleanup a breeze. Grab your 2-pack herb scissors today through the link below and save time in the kitchen. Add a little fun to your kitchen with the Joie Crinkle cutter knife. The perfect tool for slicing potatoes, veggies, and fruits with those eye-catching wavy edges. Made with sturdy stainless steel, it's safe, easy to use, and even great for kids learning to cut under supervision. Whether you're making crinkle fries or creative salad toppings, this gadget makes prep time exciting. Check out the Joie Crinkle cutter knife through the link below and make every slice a little more fun. Bring the BBQ indoors with the Smokeless electric indoor grill. Perfect for grilling your favorite meats, veggies, and Korean BBQ right from your kitchen. With 1,500 watts of power, a non-stick removable grill and griddle plate, and a tempered glass lid, you'll enjoy delicious, evenly cooked food without the smoke or mess. The LED Smart Display lets you control temperature easily for perfect results every time. Whether it's steak night or a family cookout, this grill makes it simple and fun. Check out the Smokeless indoor grill through the link below and upgrade your home cooking today. Start your mornings the easy way with this stainless steel egg Poacher pan, designed for perfect eggs every single time. With 6 non-stick cups, it lets you poach multiple eggs evenly, no sticking, no mess, just soft, delicious results. The rust-resistant stainless steel body ensures durability and long-lasting performance, while the heat-resistant handle and induction cooktop compatibility make it a breeze to use on any stove. Whether you're making breakfast, brunch, or a light meal, this pan helps you cook like a pro with minimal effort. Easy to clean and simple to use, it's a must-have for every kitchen. Check out the 6-cup stainless steel egg Poacher through the link below and make breakfast better every day. Take your blending to the next level with this professional-grade blender, built for smoothies, soups, nut butters, and more. With 10 preset blending programs and a 48-ounce container, it's perfect for both single servings and family meals. The brushed stainless finish gives it a sleek, modern look that fits any kitchen, and the self-cleaning function makes cleanup effortless. Whether you're meal prepping or creating gourmet blends, this blender delivers unmatched power and precision. Check it out through the link below and blend like a pro every day. Turn any gathering into a party with this Slush Machine, your go-to gadget for making delicious frozen drinks, smoothies, and slushies right at home. With its large capacity, you can easily serve family and friends their favorite icy treats in minutes. The powerful motor and fast freeze technology create smooth, consistent textures every time, while the easy pour spout and transparent container make it fun to watch your drinks come to life. Perfect for summer parties or everyday refreshment, this slush machine is both durable and easy to clean. Check it out through the link below and chill your way to the perfect drink experience. Protect your hands in style with these silicone oven mitts, designed for ultra heat resistance and maximum comfort. Whether you're baking, grilling, or cooking, these mitts give you a secure, non-slip grip, so you can handle hot pans, trays, and dishes with confidence. The soft cotton lining adds comfort, while the durable silicone exterior resists heat, steam, and stains. They're easy to clean, waterproof, and built to last through every kitchen adventure. Keep your hands safe and your cooking smooth. Grab your ultra heat-resistant silicone oven mitts through the link below today. Keep your food fresh and organized with ball-wide mouth glass mason jars. Perfect for canning, storage, or creative DIY projects, these durable jars come with secure lids for an airtight seal. Simple, classic, and versatile. Grab yours through the link below and start storing in style. Make perfectly smooth, fluffy mashed potatoes every time with this potato ricer. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, it comes with 3 interchangeable discs for the ideal texture. Easy to use and built to last, this kitchen tool takes the effort out of mashing. Check it out through the link below and upgrade your cooking today. Save time in the kitchen with this pull chop, a powerful manual food processor that chops fruits, veggies, nuts, and more. In seconds, no electricity needed. Just pull the handle a few times for perfectly chopped ingredients. It's compact, easy to clean, and ideal for quick meals or meal prep. Check it out through the link below and make chopping faster and easier every day. Upgrade your meal prep with this rotary cheese grater and vegetable slicer, designed to make slicing and shredding effortless. It comes with 3 interchangeable stainless steel blades to handle cheese, veggies, fruits, and even nuts with ease. Just rotate the handle for fast, uniform cuts, no more struggling with knives. Plus, it's easy to clean and assemble, saving you time in the kitchen. Check it out through the link below and make cooking faster, safer, and more fun. Make delicious frozen treats right at home with this My Mug ice cream maker machine. Perfect for soft-serve ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or frozen yogurt. It comes with 2 freezer bowls so you can create multiple flavors in minutes. The built-in ingredient chute lets you easily add mix-ins like chocolate chips or fruit, and the compact design makes it easy to clean and store. Whether it's a quick dessert or a fun family night, this little machine delivers big flavor. Check it out through the link below and start creating your favorite frozen treats today. Open cans and bottles effortlessly with this multifunction opener, featuring a razor-sharp stainless steel cutting wheel and soft ergonomic handles for a comfortable grip. It's durable, easy to use, and perfect for everyday kitchen tasks. Check it out through the link below and make opening anything a breeze. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.